the hottest tech out there.
When you think about trying to build an aeroplane that's faceted, it broke all the rules of aerodynamics. Inspired by the groundbreaking design of the F-117, the Astronic Nighthawk timepiece reinvents the 200-year-old tourbillon designed by Grand Watchmaker Abraham Louis Breguet to challenge gravity and become the ultimate watch complication. Watch in awe as its 3D coaxial flying tourbillon keeps perfect time, captivating anyone who glances at the precisely engineered complication. Each of the 175 parts of a limited edition Astronic Nighthawk timepiece is painstakingly assembled and checked by hand to make it the ultimate sophisticated timepiece. While tourbillon watches can easily cost over $100,000, the Astronic Nighthawk timepiece has finally made the tourbillon accessible to a limited number of backers. Joining the Nighthawk is the Astronic Apache automatic timepiece. Look through its skeleton dial at the precise mechanics of time. Move, and it charges itself. With a mainspring twice the size of a typical mechanical watch, your Astronic Apache timepiece will keep the time for twice as long. Monitor its 80-hour power reserve on the detailed watch face. Complex watch lovers will find themselves reflected in the inner mechanics of both timepieces through the reflectionless sapphire crystal front and back. Both Astronic watches are built to the highest specifications. The multi-layered 3D engraved dials add depth and are outlined by the futuristic CNC milled edges of stainless steel. And unlike the world's ultimate aircrafts, not only can you reach the stars with your Astronic watches, you can also dive 100 meters under the ocean.
Hi guys, I'm Christopher, founder of Astronic Watches. After designing and working in Swiss watches for 20 years, perfecting automatic movement, and advancing watch design for some of the famous watch brands, I decided to launch the first Astronic tourbillon timepieces based on a technological marvel that is the F-117. While tourbillon timepieces usually cost tens of thousands of dollars, it was our goal from the start to use our experience in making these movements to build a timepiece to high-quality specification that is also affordable. It took us over 2 years to design and develop Astronic, and we're happy to finally be able to launch on Kickstarter. We already launched production, backed this campaign, and enjoying the exclusive opportunity to wear a limited series Astronic Stealth timepiece.
Own a piece of history. Back the Astronic Aviation Collection and get one of the most limited luxury watches available now.